Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Friday, guys. It's another dark, dreary, rainy day. It's cold. It's just yuck. But anyway, I got to Dollar Tree. I wanted to get the rest of the stuff I needed to pick up for, the kids and things for Easter and all that good stuff. So, yeah, I am just going to hop right on here and just show you guys what we picked up this trip. Alright, some of the usuals. My husband got the pepperoni smoked sausage, the Tillamook brand of his goodies that he takes to work with him to munch on. He loves these, are his favorites. So we were lucky and found those. A lot of these are his picks. I think actually all of these are. I guess I didn't get anything I wanted this time. That's okay. I didn't need a thing. This is apple, mango, and peach fruit snack, like an applesauce kind of thing. That sounds very interesting. I've never tried that combination before. So he picked up a 4-pack here. Yeah, that sounds kind of yummy. I'm gonna have to try that. It's just called Apple Snacks brand. What are these? 4-ounce cups. Yeah, apple, mango, peach. That's a different combination. I've never tried that. He got one of the original cranberry juice cocktails, Ocean Spray. I believe these were up in price, I can't remember now, to $1.50, I want to say. So just got one of those. What did he get this time? He picked up a pack of these fruit and grain bars, strawberry filled. These are Sun Best original soft bake, like, breakfast bars. See how those work. I don't think he's ever see how these are is what I'm trying to say. I don't think he's ever tried this kind before, so that's something different. You get 4 in there. And then he got, another box of the Fiddle Faddle. It's not a bad deal, $1.25 for that. Caramel popcorn with peanuts. He loves his snacky snacks, as you guys can tell. He also picked up a small bag of the famous Amos chocolate chips because, like I said, these little bags and things like this are just so easy for him to toss it in his lunchbox and off he goes. And then he also picked up another pack of Rolos this time. And this is just a 2.5-ounce bag of Rolos. So I think that's it for his goodies here this time. I got a whole bunch of candies and stuff because I have to get these little basket things together because Easter's coming pretty quick here. So I picked up 4 of these little Carrot Patch These called little. This is solid milk chocolate. It's the Palmer brand. These are not bad. I've had these before many times. Not bad at all. So I got 4 of those to stick in the little ones. Actually gift bags I'm doing. It's got a little basket. It's just easier to transport. I picked up 2 bags of the little mini Easter eggs. These are just the milk chocolate little eggs in foil. They just look real pretty in an Easter basket. But yeah, they're also yummy too. Love those. So I got 2 bags of those to sprinkle in with all the goodies here. Oh, actually, my husband did pick these up again. These are the peanut butter eggs. This was another one of his picks. This has got to be like his 6th bag that he's picked up over the last few months. So yeah, he really likes those. They're a chocolate shell filled with creamy home-style peanut butter. So they must be really good because I'm not a big fan of those kind of peanut butter candies, but they must be good for him to get that many of them. I picked up, did I get 3 or 4 of these? I think I just picked up 3 of these. I thought I picked up 4. No, I'm losing my marbles. That's okay. I can always grab another one of these little, this was just called Happy Easter Chocolatey Lentils. They're, kind of like M&Ms. And they got the different colored little eggs on top. I swore I had another one. Maybe I only picked up 3. I'm gonna have to go back and get another one. But yeah, picked one up, each one of these colors. These are nice to just pop out of a little gift bag. Or did I just get 3? You know, maybe I just did pick up 3 because a couple of the little kids are a little too small for some of this stuff. I also picked up this bag here. This is little gummy bunnies. They're all individually wrapped that you can toss into your little Easter basket or whatever. And they're just fruit-flavored little gummies. You get 18 in here. So I thought that would be cute to throw in the baskets. What else did we get here? I think that's all the candy-wise I got. I did pick up one of these. These are those little packs that you kind of, it's called Whack-A-Pack. They kind of blow up into like little balloons and then they make a nice loud pop. They're just a fun little thing for the kids. Take them outside and just smack them on the sidewalk or whatever. So I got one of those, stick one of those. There's 4 in here. Yes, 4. Just perfect amount for the little baskets. A little something. And then I also picked these up. I thought these would be fun. These aren't Eastery, but I thought these would be cute to stick in there too. And these are little temporary tattoos. You got Mickey Mouse and you got Minnie Mouse. So those are always fun too. You know, the kids love those little tattoo things. So I'm thinking, hoping I can maybe cut these in half. That's a lot of tattoos. You get 35 in here. I'm going to take a peek here to see if I can while I'm thinking about it here, guys. Oh yeah, we should be able to work around that. Maybe just cut this out like in half. Or maybe this way. I don't know. But yeah, I thought they were really cute little tattoos for kids. They're fun. I used to love them when I was a kid too, you know. So, got those. I think that's it for the Eastery things. I did pick up these pretty little gift bags because these would be pretty for any time of year. Look how pretty these are. They have little like satiny ribbon handles on them, and this one's got the real pretty like glittery butterflies. And then the other 2 aren't glittered, but you know, they're just as pretty. Just little flowers. These are nice just for a little something gift. It's always nice to have these little bags. So I will put them in with my bags of bags. My bag of bags. This I haven't seen before. I don't know unless I just have not noticed it. And this is the original super glue mounting tape. Have not tried this. I found this down there where they have all the other glues and things like that. It says it works on ceramic, glass, mirrors, plastic, and more. So yeah, I'm going to have to give that a try. It says for indoor and outdoor, moisture-resistant, double-sided. It's double-sided tape. And it says it holds up to 20 pounds. So there you go, if there's something you want to hang. But yeah, I haven't seen that one before. My husband picked this up where they have all the, starting to get the grilling things out. And this is a tong turner. It has the little tong on there, and it also has your little like spatula, so when you pick it up you can flip it and it doesn't fall all over the place. Ooh, excuse me, I got that hiccups here. So yeah, I mean, it's not a real heavy duty one, but I think this will work just fine. I don't see why not. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So there you go. You won't lose your burger when you're going to flip it or whatever. I did pick up a pack of these 3-pack of the storage containers. You guys know a few weeks ago I replaced most of my storage containers, but these are, you know, the smaller size because sometimes you don't need very much. Holds 2 cups. So, and I'm trying to get everything matchy in my cabinet right now, so I don't have to hunt around for everything. So I got that 3-pack of those, and then he wanted these for in on his desk for, I forget what all he said, stamps and whatnot that he has thrown up on his one shelf. And this is just a 2-pack of, well, they're just calling those baskets. But you guys know, I mean, they're not real sturdy or anything, but they're great for like on a desk or something, just to keep odds and ends of things in there. And that's what he wanted it for. I picked up 2 of these candle holders. I thought these would be pretty to do like some arrangement things on top of. I love this nice like wide base it has on it here, and it's nice and flat here on the top where you could do lots of things with it, you know, other than just a candle holder. So yeah, so I grabbed 2 of those. These are nice, thick, heavy glass too. So I got those. I picked up this pumice stone because, you know, this one says it's vitamin E enriched. And this is great, you know, like you want to use it on your feet, whatever, to get off some dry skin, hands, elbows, it says, whatever. So yeah, I haven't tried this one from Dollar Tree yet, but it looks nice. Yeah. All right, so we'll try that out, see how that works. And then I came across this on the way out. This was the only one they had, and this is by Gibson Home. It's just a wooden turner that, you know, I'll put this in with my wooden spoons out there. But I did find a set of these. I kind of looked it up because this is not like a Dollar Tree brand. And I did find a set of 4 of these. They had like the spoon, the slotted spoon, and something else. But it was a set of 4 for $18. So if you find these at Dollar Tree, I know they do have the other ones too. I haven't seen them. This is the first one I've found, but it's by Gibson Home. So yeah, it's really nice, nice sturdy wooden turner here. So that will go in with my collection of, I have so many wooden spoons and things. I love wooden spoons. The only thing we got in the plus section was another one of my husband's picked. He wanted another one of these all-season 2-in-1, the Rain-X brand of the washer fluid to put in our cars. He really likes this one, so I know they have the cheaper ones there too, but he likes this one the best. So these are $4 for a gallon of this. So, I mean, it lasts quite a long time, especially now. I mean, in the winter time with the salt on the roads and stuff, I mean, you go through a lot of this stuff. But right now, I think for the rest of the summer, this should do us just fine until the fall. But that's it. That's all I picked up this trip at Dollar Tree. Like I said, still the same old, you know, Easter things out that have been out since Christmas time. Or since right before Christmas was over. But I will clean this stuff up here, and I will bring in little P so he can say hello to everybody. And I will be right back. All right, here he comes. Let me get a paper for underneath here. I had to go get another roll of paper towels. I was out in here. There we go. Now you can potty if you need to. Oh, say hi, everybody, P. Say I hate this dreary, yucky weather. Huh, do you want your peanut? Look at him. He's like, could I please have my peanut? All right. Sorry. I'm like not even paying attention here. I'm like doing stuff on my phone here like you guys aren't even with me. Sorry. As many of you guys know, I don't know whoever watches my daughter's YouTube channel, but she went in for surgery today. I was just getting my update here for my oldest daughter who's up there with her. I guess everything went okay. She's, you know, waiting for a room because she has to stay overnight, which she's not happy about either, but she'll be fine. But yeah, so I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know what all she told everybody. I know she did mention it in a couple of her videos that she was going in for surgery today. And yeah, so that's all I know so far. Just getting another update here. I know she had to be there at 5:30 in the morning. And yeah, and supposedly everything went well. But she's just kind of out of it right now. I haven't spoke to her yet, but my oldest daughter's just keeping me up to date on what's going on up there. So I will let you guys know more when I know more. I am going to try to get up there to see her next week. Figure after she gets home and gets settled a little bit. Her you know, my grandkids will be there with her. They're, you know, adults. They're not little kids. They're adult kids. They're in their 20s. So they will be there hanging out with her while she's recovering. And yeah, so I'm not going to bother her until we'll go up maybe early next week sometime and see how she's making out. Huh. But yeah, but so far so good. Yay. Are you saying you keeping people entertained? I know, I totally zoned out. I'm like answering my daughter on my phone here, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm making a video, aren't I? It's just been one of those days. You know how nerve-wracking it is. It really is. Very nerve-wracking when you're waiting to hear things. There you go. Is that yummy? And what are you going to do for the rest of the day today, P? Liquid? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Here you go. Well, you're going to town on this one today. You must have really wanted a peanut today. Huh. Some days you're not very enthusiastic about it, but today you're really munching down here. I hear the other birds out there yelling now. What's going on out there, huh? I don't know. That's Rosie. She's the loud girl. She's my sun conure. She's out there just yelling at something. Either that or my Indian ringneck. They hang out together all day long, and if he gets on a different cage than she's on, then she will scream until they get back together again. So it's just a whole bird thing. Huh. You guys are just all spoiled rotten. That's your whole problems. I think you got all the big pieces, P. I don't see much else here. There you go. Whoops. I give up. I can't get that one to stay on my finger. Here, I got it this time, I promise. There you go. Alright, well that was a yummy one, huh? Yeah. Alright, well I think we're going to let everybody go here, because it's just been one of them days, you guys know, when you're, you know, just worrying about people. Yeah, so just going to hang around and get all my updates here and see how everything's going up there, and that's it. So I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and we will see you guys all next time. Say have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.